Everyone's talking OpenClaw, so I had to test it. That's your alternate tutorial to use OpenClaw for autonomous crypto transactions. Let's walk through it step by step. First thing, I instruct OpenClaw to create a brand new wallet on the Base network. One clear prompt to create a new wallet on Base that can receive and send USDC. Within seconds, it responds with the wallet address, current status, and confirmation that it's ready. No manual setup, no extensions, just done. I claim USDC test tokens, then I claim ETH test tokens because ETH is required to pay for transactions, and without it, nothing moves. Once that's done, I do not assume anything. I ask OpenClaw to confirm whether the tokens were received. It checks, transaction confirmed. Current balance is displayed, transaction hash provided, so now we know the wallet is funded and ready. Time to test an actual transaction. I decide to send 0.3 USDC to another wallet address, and in my case, my MetaMask wallet. I grab the recipient address and prompt OpenClaw to execute the transfer. I send the instruction and wait. A few seconds later, we get the confirmation. It shows the amount sent, the recipient address, the transaction hash, and the updated balance. Everything transparent, everything verifiable. That's Base. Now let's do the same thing on Solana. I prompt OpenClaw to create a brand new wallet on the Solana network. Again, instant creation, wallet address returned successfully. Next, we need to fund it. I go to the Solana faucet, paste the wallet address, request an airdrop, and confirm. Airdrop successful. Now I go back and ask OpenClaw to confirm whether the funds have arrived. It verifies the deposit. Balance shows one sol. Signature and slot information included. Now we test a transaction on Solana. I prompt OpenClaw to send 0.1 sol from the newly created DevNet wallet to another wallet address. Instruction sent, short wait, and transaction is confirmed. It displays the recipient address, the signature, and the updated balance after the transfer. And that's the full flow. Wallet created on Base, funded with test tokens, transaction executed, wallet created on Solana, airdrop received, transaction processed, and handled autonomously by OpenClaw. That's through structured prompts. No complex setup, no manual transaction building, just clear instructions and confirmed results. Hope you now understand why everyone's talking about that. Enjoy the tutorial and let's build!